Having covered details about the people and companies, it's now time to discuss product section. In the product section, you can store different information pieces about the products or services you sell. Products in user.com are mostly used by e-commerce businesses where there are typical actions like add to cart or purchase performed. But sometimes this section can be as well used by companies selling services, like for example SaaS companies. Thanks to product section, you are able to track a wider user's behavior history. That means having information about exact products they viewed, added to cart, bought at a given time, and at a given web page. On top of that, you can get track of different product attributes and details, like for example, how many pairs of sneakers in which size and color, on what exact date and time, and at which exact web page a given user bought at your online store. Let's have a quick overview of the product section. It's structured in a very similar way to people's and companies, so we see the main table with attributes, then filtering section on the right-hand side. Different actions like updating, exporting, and removing products can be done from Manage. We can access a product's web page with very similar structure as well. But let's now find out how to add products to the app manually. From Product section, I'm clicking Add a Product and can specify values for standard attributes, and as I already earlier created a few custom attributes like for example color or size, I can set those values here as well if I want. Important note, this manual add-on of a product is done at the level of SKU. For example, you see that there are 2 products on the list with the same name. However, there are different product IDs for them and then different sizes. Once you have your products added, you can of course sort them by a given attribute, add tags, apply filters, and create product segments. There are of course other ways of adding products to your user.com app. You can do that by a CSV import. You can as well import product feeds from XML file aligned with Google Merchant Center specification. You can also create products through REST API or create product events in a way that new products and their attributes will be added to the user.com automatically when an event is performed for the first time. We'll cover those ways of adding products to your user.com app in the next videos. So that was a quick introduction to adding products manually. Thanks for listening.